Okay, for my special learning need, I will be focusing on ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. And I've decided to use Bookr as my tool. I'll be looking specifically at increasing student engagement through the use of Bookr. So what I've done is took a student work from this past year that I will be pulling from to use some examples on how we can use Bookr in a third grade classroom specifically. So my story is on penguins. Put our author as a third grade student. And down here is our search bar for pictures. So I will put in penguin. And I come up with a pretty wide array. Well, if you spell it right, sorry about that. Penguin, there we go. And we come up with a pretty wide array of pictures that we can add some color to our story. Now to turn over to our next page, we go up here to the top corner, and then we have the inside of our book. So I'm going to take some information from one of my students' research projects, and we'll add that here. And we can keep kind of picking out some pictures. So she talks about living in a warm tropical place here, so we can add this picture along the beach. You can also move your picture side to side to kind of get it to fit more directly in your book. So let's see. We'll take this bit of information. What I like about this is that you can add quite a bit of text to your story. You can either add 1 or 2 lines, or if you really want to add quite a bit more, we can get more text. So I will pull this picture. This allows me to move it up and down so we can get our penguins in the shot there. After we can keep going here and adding more pictures and things. When we're all finished, we can go down here to the corner and select Publish this book. And my book now appears here in the Bookr archives. Also, if we would like, so we'll click on it, we can click and save the link, and we can email it to friends. My class frequently uses Google Docs, so we could keep it in through our Google platform. And as the class is transferring to one-to-one this year, I think it's really helpful for us to incorporate pictures along with our text after we write a rough draft, and really keep focusing on that student engagement piece for our writers.